Hi everyone, another day, another job. Here we have a Dell laptop. Customer says it doesn't come on or even charge. Okay, so first step, let us, even it's a Dell laptop, in Dell laptops you should only use the original charger, as it has the data pin that reads the adapter. If the adapter is not original, the EC chip won't charge the battery and the unit will come on but with some errors on it. Okay, so we have this type of connector. I'm gonna use, maybe this one is right. Let me see. Yep, that's it. Okay, let me plug the adapter. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see the power supply? Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, whenever I insert my adapter, it takes a full current. That means we have a big short on the board. So let me disassemble the unit and let's see what's inside. Its keyboard can be removed so easily from this side. Maybe there's still a screw on the back of it. That's it. Okay. Oh, multiple screws, not only one. Should remove all these bad cables, connectors. Oh yeah, here we have the LED drive screw, and so we can remove it so easily. Put it aside. What else? You still have other we have screws under the, no we don't. I thought there's some screws under the drive. Here we have another screw. You have one, we have one here too. Yeah, it's okay. It's out. Okay. Let's see what's wrong in here. So when I'm inserting the power, it gives me right away a short. Let us test the short and see where the problem is. You can see? Yes, perfect. Okay, let us test. Here we have, yeah, this is ground, no. This is normal, this is normal, normal, normal. What else? Nothing more from here, yeah? Because there might be some other coils and power rails on the other side. So let me take off the board and get back. So this is the other side of the board. Let me show you. This is the power connector. Power connector is over here. So that means this is the first MOSFET, the second MOSFET, and the main power rail. So what I'm gonna do now is test. The main power rail. Okay, let me zoom in and make some tests. Yes. Now this is, yeah, this is ground. No. You have on power rail? No, we don't have any short. Let me zoom out and test each MOSFET individually. Yeah, they are good. How about the charging? Yeah, it's good. What else do we have here? Let me check this one. Let me check this coil. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Good. What about this MOSFET? It is good. It is good. Okay, all good. What about here? What about here? Good. Good. All good. Okay. What could be the problem? Right now I'm gonna use the power connector. Let me connect it first. And see what's wrong, if we can. Okay, I don't know if you can hear. There is a noise coming out. Okay, let's see if something is getting hot on the board. Using my low-cost thermal camera. Sound is coming from over here. Something in here is getting hot. You see? Here. Whoa, that's hot. Can you spot it? Yeah, this, most probably this capacitor is getting hot. 149, 50, 52, 55, 60 degrees. It's getting hot. This capacitor is getting hot. Let me test it alone. Yeah, this capacitor over here. It doesn't seem to have a problem. But it is getting hot. Okay, maybe there is another, even though it's getting hot. I don't know. Let me remove the processor, the CPU, and see what will happen. Heatsink is out. And removing the processor just for protection. I'm removing the processor. Can we test if there's still short something? What? I doubt it. Seriously. There's no short. Processor might be okay. The processor is defected. Oh my god. Okay, let me insert the processor again. Okay, let's see how much this is taking. Oh my god, seriously? Okay, heat thermal paste removed. Let's see now what now this is the processor. Let's see if it is getting hot. Yep, this is it. It's the processor. It's getting hotter and hotter. Can you see? I'm releasing it. Yeah, it's getting colder. Wow. It's very hot. Wait, if that is the problem, could it be the main power rail is coming right into this could it be? Let us try. Can you see it? Yes. No. Okay. This is like this. Okay. You see? You got it? It might not be the processor which is defected. It might be the MOSFET or the power drive for this MOSFET, for this processor, sorry, that is defected, which is getting the main power rail to here. So if I put my power supply and put it in voltage mode, volt mode. Let me see what is the voltage. It is 5 volts. That is not good. That is not good. We have 5 volts over here. We have 5 volts over. We have 19 over here. We have 5 from here to here. That means this thing is shorted. It is shorted, yeah. It is getting hot too. Now just to be more sure, that my problem is in one of these V cores, this one or this one. What I'm going to do now is remove that I suspect it is the problem, which is this one on the top. Let me first remove the processor, protect. Let me also protect this plastic connector. So you want to play games? You can, but not right now. Come on. Okay. So let me apply some flux. Use my tweezers. This is it. And let's begin. Okay. This is the V core out. Let me just clean the board a bit. Just 1 second. You know, if you remove one V core, V core, it won't be a problem, as there is another one that can give the processor the needed power, but it won't get the full power out of it. I will remove this bolt later, but let me remove those first. Come on, guys, help me a bit. You're not helping. Is this okay? Let me clean. The area, just to be sure there's no shorts. There's some small shorts. Let me just remove them by applying some heat. Yeah, this is it. Okay, let's see if there's more shortage. So from here to here, no more short. Oh, sorry, you can see. So from out of the V core to into V core, there's no more short. I'm making this test just to make sure that the processor is okay. So I'm putting back some of the connectors and make the test. Let me lose the light a bit. Okay, let me see. Do we still have a short? No, there's no more short. As you can see, the board is taking 30 milliamps. Okay, let me first reinstall the and see if the board will come on or not. I'm just making a fast connections here. Just for testing, and that's it. There's a plug. Okay, that's it. Insert the power plug, turning on the device. It doesn't turn on. Maybe I didn't insert the. Come on. Now making some cleaning. Make some solder clean on the board. As it seems, the 3 milliamps, 30 milliamps that was taken from the main power was made from this short over here on the under the V core conductors. Anyway, so now if I put the power supply, it's taking 10 milliamps. Now it's normal. Now if I press the power button manually, there's light, the power comes on, but nothing on the screen. Unfortunately, there's nothing. No light, no background, no picture, nothing. But the board is coming on. That leads me to one thing, that the processor is long gone, along with the V-core MOSFET. There is power, yeah, you can see the fan is spinning. The EC chip is working fine. The board is taking about 400 milliamps. Yeah, and there's no picture. That means the processor is dead. Anyway, so I can say that this laptop is unrepairable, unfortunately. I can't do anything else over here. Anyway, like and subscribe if you like the video, and if you learned something, that's very good. And I will see you on another job. Thank you. Bye.